Monday morning. Jake opens his laptop and finds an email. Subject: structural reorganization. He reads it twice, then a third time. 12 AI agents had just replaced 40 analysts overnight. Jake is one of those analysts. Has been for 6 years. A McKinsey report from last year said 80% of his job could be automated. He thought it was hype. It wasn't. 300,000 white-collar positions disappeared in the United States last year alone. Finance, legal, marketing, roles that required a degree, roles that used to feel safe. Jake sends 94 job applications over the next 3 months, gets 3 interviews, 0 offers. The market moved faster than his resume did. He ends up driving Uber. $45,000 a year, no health insurance, no 401k match, no paid time off, 11 p.m. on a Thursday, picking up strangers from downtown bars. Mia sat 2 desks away from Jake. Same company, same title, same salary in 2021. But when the AI tools started rolling in, Mia paid attention. She didn't complain. She didn't wait. She spent 6 months learning how to run the agents, check their outputs, and catch their mistakes before they reach the client. Her manager noticed. So did her manager's manager. Today, Mia supervises 12 AI agents. Her salary went up 34%. The company didn't lay her off. They promoted her because she became the one person the machines couldn't replace. Goldman Sachs estimates 300 million jobs globally will be disrupted by AI. That sounds catastrophic. Here's what nobody's actually saying. 97% of executives say they need people who understand AI, not programmers, managers, people who know how to give context, review output, and make the call. That role doesn't disappear. It becomes rarer and more valuable. Jake waited for someone to hand him the new rule book. Mia went and wrote her own. Jake earns $38,000 less per year than he did before. Mia earns $22,000 more. That's a $60,000 gap between 2 people who started in the exact same place. You don't need to become an AI engineer. You need to understand enough to stop being replaceable. Start with 1 tool. This week. 1 hour. That's the whole move. Lazy money. Set it. Forget it. Go take a nap.